Could petrol and diesel prices jump by another 25 rupees? It sounds extreme, but Indian oil companies are already staring at a 1,380 crore daily loss. Now, the recent rupee 3 fuel hike was meant to offer some relief, but fuel retailers are still bleeding out. Now, petrol and diesel prices were raised again by around 90 paise per litre on Tuesday, marking a second hike in a week. In Delhi, petrol rose to 98.64 rupees from 97.77, while diesel prices increased to rupees 91.58 from 90.67. At the center of the crisis are under recoveries, the gap between what oil companies pay for crude and what they are allowed to charge. Now, according to Nomura, OMCs are currently losing around 25 rupees per litre on petrol and diesel on a blended basis, but the pain doesn't stop there. LPG losses are hitting record levels as well, with companies absorbing up to rupees 670 per cylinder. Adding it all up, the system is burning nearly 1,380 crores every single day. The stress is uneven across companies. HBCL is the most vulnerable, losing around $19 per barrel on integrated margins. BPCL is at about $8, while IOCL is relatively better placed at around $4 per barrel. Now, for context, before the oil shock, all three were earning between $12 to $14 per barrel. Now, analysts warn that if losses continue, HPCL, BPCL, and IOCL could wipe out their equity buffers in roughly 2, 4, and 10 years, respectively. So, what happens next? Elara Capital says that the rupee 3 hike will cut annual losses by around 34,500 crore, but calls it just a fraction of the problem. And the history also offers a warning here. During the 2022 Russia-Ukraine crisis, fuel prices were raised in a phased manner after a long freeze, adding up to rupees 10 per litre, which is why the analysts are saying that the recent hike may not be the last one. Now, if crude stays elevated, this rupee 3 move could just be the beginning of a longer fuel price cycle, one that slowly comes back to hit consumers. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.